today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Outlook with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have your Outlook calendar connected so events and tasks can work together smoothly, saving you clicks and keeping your schedule in one place. First, open your ClickUp account and sign into the workspace where you want the integration. Make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can see your sidebar and settings. If you're using multiple workspaces, double check you're in the right one before moving on. Next, look for the More option. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find it in the left sidebar or near your workspace settings. Clicking More expands additional tools and options that aren't shown by default. From there, click Apps. This opens ClickUp's app directory, where you can find official integrations and connect them in a few clicks. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Click into the search bar and type Outlook Calendar. As you type, you should see the Outlook Calendar integration appear in the results. If nothing shows up, make sure you spelled it correctly and that your internet connection is stable. If your workspace has restrictions, you may need an admin to enable integrations, but in most cases you can proceed right away. When you see Outlook Calendar, click it to open the integration details. This page gives you a quick overview of what the connection does and what permissions are needed. It's worth scanning this so you know exactly what access is being requested. Now click Connect. A new window or tab will open asking you to sign in with your Microsoft account if you're not already signed in. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow the pop-up so the sign-in window can appear. Follow the prompts on your screen to grant ClickUp permission to access your Outlook calendar. You may be asked to choose the correct Microsoft account, select the calendar you want to use, and confirm the requested permissions. If you're using a work or school account, your organization might require admin approval. In that case, follow your company's normal process and come back to finish connecting once approval is granted. After you've completed the prompts, return to ClickUp and look for a confirmation message or a connected status on the Outlook calendar page. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page. From here, you're all set. If you ever need to disconnect or adjust the connection, you can come back to the same apps area to manage it. That's the full process to integrate Outlook with ClickUp quickly and confidently.